I guess what makes the chairman special is we're not just serving a nice dinner, we also serve the heritage of Chinese cooking. We spend a lot of time going back into China and hunt for some hidden ingredients, some forgotten ingredients, and we put that into our menu to give that umami flavor into the dish. We're also serving a welcoming home.
我覺得我哋比較喜歡記得客人嘅嚟過每一次食過啲咩啦，同埋記得佢中意坐邊個位啦，大家都好似好熟，好似一家人咁嘅。
佢俾到我哋絕大嘅自由，自我發揮，所以喺我哋方面咧，我哋要用心去做，俾翻個回報我哋老闆。
To be named the best restaurant in Asia as part of Asia's 50 Best Restaurant 2026, sponsored by St. Pellegrino and Aquapanna, means everything to us. We could not do it with our amazing team.